A bloom. That's so big one. Just pick only one. Pick only one, right? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my videos again. Today I'm going to show you the flowers. There are so many flowers that in this small garden, and some is bloom and some is not bloom. Let's go surround it with me. Here's the pink one. And let's go to see another. See? Not yet. And here. Do you know this this is flower tree? See? What is that? Let's see. Look like the sunflower that not growing yet. This is the tree of the sunflower. See? Wow. That not have flower yet. Just only the plant, the tree, the green one. Let's go to see. That's one. Here. Here. Oh, it's sunflower. Oh, it's sunflower. So beautiful sunflower. Wow. A bloom. That's so big one. Everyone. Did you ever play like that? You want to pick it?
Yeah.
Just pick only one. Pick only one, right? Hả?
Thôi bạn đợi chơi nhé.
Màu vậy?
Mẹ má. Anh đọc viết tôm á. Mẹ má. Anh đọc viết tôm á. Mẹ má. Anh đọc viết tôm á.
Mơ, đã đi mơ.
Anh đọc viết tôm.
Wow, man mùi man. Wow, oh my god. Bye bye.